would say that there's two components to that. One, it's the people. We absolutely love the brand. We love being here. We love talking about cars. And that's the difference between a good experience and a fantastic experience. The other thing is the fact that we have a lot of great driving roads right beside the dealership here. So when you come on a test drive, you're not sitting from red light to red light. You're out in some back twisty roads, really getting an experience what these cars can do. I love the fact that Porsche is always first and foremost about performance. Whether it's styling, whether it's the way the cars drive, the way they sound, always performance comes first and foremost. My favorite Porsche moment would be back in 2015. Took a brand new Boxster S all the way down the West Coast. So from Vancouver to San Diego and all the way back. It was 2.5 weeks of incredible driving. It was a great time.